What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different because we're going to be Baja truck racing. I've never done this before. I'm super excited. You see these awesome little trucks right here? They definitely ain't little. They're getting them fine-tuned. We're about to go in there and I hope I don't pee my pants today. Dude, I bet these things fly.
We're in Plaster City, right? Middle of the desert, basically.
Out in the middle of nowhere. This guy's a pro. He's gonna keep me nice and safe today while we're going. How fast are we gonna go?
We'll get over 100 for sure. For sure.
I literally can't even fathom this right now. I'm so excited. Okay, let's change into the fire suit. Let's go. Let's go. We're ready, guys. We're about to go real fast. And by real fast, I mean real fast. We got the cameras ready. He's grabbing the helmet. Safety first, send it second. We're gonna have some fun. Guys, who looks better? Comment below. I can see it. Pass the steering wheel for the first time. This is awesome. All right, guys.
Puts a smile on my face.
Good, I'm happy. Put a big smile on mine. Guys, my new favorite sport. Thank you.
I'm grinning ear to ear, just hearing you.
It's all about the vibes. Yay. He's a pro, guys. That drive was so much fun. All right, guys. So Christian is going to teach us the mechanics of the car, and we're going to learn how to drive. So take it away.
All right, Trophy Truck 101. We've got a standard gas pedal right here and a brake pedal.
I can reach it, though?
You could probably reach it.
Okay, I like that.
Gas, brake, and then there you go. You know how to drive a trophy truck. No, I'm just kidding. Here's the steering wheel. It's a little bit more complex. So we have a push to talk, so you can talk to your pit crew. Right here is a siren.
Can we hear it?
If Demi were to be wearing her helmet right now, on the top she'd have a little suction cup, and this would attach to it. It gets really, really hot, especially out in the desert. So what this does is it funnels air from the outside, and it gets all circulated. It's all clean air, it's not dust, and it goes into her helmet and cools her down. What's cool about the GPS is that you can do a thing in Mexico called pre-running, and that's being able to go over the course before you actually race it multiple times and mark where all the dangers are. So you could be like,
oh, coming up, we got this big jump, be careful.
Oh, big jump or triple danger. Here's just the radio. We all have radios in all of our trucks just to make sure, because communication is very important. And obviously the most important thing on the truck is you gotta get the GoPros.
The GoPros, the mounts, baby.
Yeah, content's king, and if Demi isn't being filmed, what are we even doing?
What are we doing? It doesn't even count. Well, thanks for showing us. I'm excited to drive. Maybe not today because we're not set up.
Baby steps. I'm not gonna try a backflip right away.
We're gonna come back geared up. Christian is gonna take me through everything, and we're gonna be going 150.
Stay tuned.
Let's go. gotta try it. You gotta get out here in the California desert and keep moving in this really fast truck, okay? I'll see you guys next week. Have a great day! I can't, guys. It's too much. We've been out here in the hot sun. New best friends.
That's so messed up.